We're up in Virginia visiting some family, and we're all set up in their backyard to do a little camping and visiting. Let me show you my setup. I got a double gate back into there, and we back up in the yard. And for power, they put in a RV box, so I got a 100-foot power cord that I run to the power supply. That's why when you have a lot of distance between there and the box, the power cord comes in very handy. So that's why I carry 125 feet power cord. And they were nice enough to put in a regular RV power box right outside the garage. So when we come by to visit family, we just plug right in, run our 100-foot of cord, and we got power just like we're at the RV park. I just back right into the gate and right into the backyard. And then they have a nice fire pit, so we can have fires. Then for my water source, I got a yellow tea here that I picked up at Wally World, and I run my fresh water hose from there, and then they can keep their regular lawn hose hooked up here. And to tee off that, I carry about 250 feet of water hose. I normally use the 25-foot lengths and connect them together. They're easy to store, connect. So right now I got 75 feet of hose, and I have plenty left over. Now for the shower drain, since I don't have a sewer hookup, I have a cap that allows me to put a water hose to it, and then I just run the hose out, and I run the hose to a tree, and the water from the shower will water the tree also. But you can, if you have a long hose dedicated just for your drain line. Most houses have a drain you can hook into, and I'll show you where theirs is located at. Gotta go through the gate. And so if I get about another 150 foot of drain hose, I can come out to the front of the house, which is the front, and they have a clean out drain for their sewer system for the house. So I can pull this cap off and I can put the water drain hose right in there. It'd be too long to run a sewer hose because you need about 150 feet of sewer hose, which is not practical. And so when you're staying with family, we're all set up in our camper, self-contained. Gives a place for the dogs to run. A nice backyard. They just took down a bunch of trees, so we have plenty of firewood also. So we still got some to cut up. And when we came in, we had to trim some trees up also. So I just climbed up the ladder, trimmed them up. Then I have my level on the back, and ground wasn't exactly level, so what I have is some 11-inch wide 2x4s that I raised up the right side. And I got my wheel chocks in there to level out the camper. Now at midnight, if we want to go swimming, we can just hop the fence and go skinny dipping in the neighbor's pool. Looks nice and refreshing over there. Thank you for watching the RV Dog channel.